Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve Excel assignment EXP22 Excel AppCapstone IntroAssessment Travel. Basically this is new course that has been introduced in 2022. I can do assignment for you. I can do this complete course for you. If you want me to do assignment for you, if you want me to do complete course for you, contact me on WhatsApp or email given in description of this video. You can hire me other courses as well as like business management, finance, accounting, information technology, computer science and other subjects. Now that is start this assignment from step 1. Step 1 is download your file. You can download file from myitlab dashboard. Move to step number 2. Step number 2 is rename sheet 1 as DC2017. Sheet 1 is DC2017. Step number 3. Step number 3 is select and cut column F, insert cut cell in cell B1. Yes. Step number 4. Insert a blank row between row 2 and 3. Insert a blank row between row 2 and 3. Blank row between 2 and 3. That is blank row between 2 and 3. Step number 5. Step number 5 is display the DC 2020 worksheet. Check the spelling and correct all misspelled word. Display the DC 2020 worksheet. Check the spelling and correct all misspelled words. Misspelled words. Check spelling. Check complete. DC 2020 already done. Step number 6. Step number 6 is select the range A4 to G4, wrap the text, apply center horizontal alignment and apply blue accent 5, lighter 60%, fill color. Yes. Fine. Wrap text, alignment, center, color blue. blue accent 5, light at 60%. Okay. Step number 6 is completed. Move to step number 7. Mark and center the title in the range A1 to G1. Apply the blue accent 5. Set style and bold to the title. That is the step number 7. Mark and center. Set style. Accent 5. Yes, step number 7 completed. If you want complete solution of this assignment and other assignments, contact me on WhatsApp number and email ID. Check the whole solution of this assignment. All files are available. Hopefully you get knowledge this video. Thank you for watching this video and goodbye.